Alright, hey y'all, we're here at the Sarnia station. We're not getting the one there on the right. I just got him going by. The yard train backing up. But here we got one of the snail trains. This train's been coming up for a while. I just got that other entire train while I was waiting for this one coming its last few hundred yards. This is the A491, one of the snails. Honkity honkity. We'll get a wave to hang. That one engine sounding rough. Sounding, I can hear them big bangs. But that is probably the best guy that drives the trains that I've seen here. He's always honking, waving, saying hi, and that's nice. Gotta like that. I know there is a reason why these are the snail trains, so yeah, there's a small character art, but his face is right where the sign is. I've got another tiny character art. I don't consider them the big ones that I like, but a little one. Yeah, but yes, there is a reason why the two snail trains, 491 and 485, there is a reason why they go so slow. I don't know offhand, but this train's 9,300 feet. For you Americans out there, I'm not sure what that is in meters right offhand. But for you Americans out there, 9,300 feet. The rest of the world, sorry, I'm not sure offhand. This one thing over here that they do, well, they called it in for the states for it to go, so that's why they gave it in feet. Because the states is right on the other side of a tunnel, right down about a mile away from here. Starting to pick up speed. He's almost going faster than I can run now, or walk briskly if I could. Getting a little chilly out. This is going to be our first day of this season that we may get to 0 degrees. I think the lowest I've seen so far at night was maybe 5 or 6. But tonight they're calling for 0. That's for you Americans out there, that would be about 32 degrees, freezing temperature. We have freezing temperature is 0. But for you Americans, 32. Rest of the world, 0. Well, not all the rest of the world. There, like I've said before in other videos, there's 2 other tiny little countries that you probably never even heard of that have still not switched over to metric. But and then there's the States. Most countries have done it 20, 30, 40 years ago. We were 45 years ago, I think, here in Canada. Somewhere around 1980, I think. It's about when most places did it, 70s, 80s, 90s, except for the States. A lot of things they have over there, they are kind of a bit still outdated or old-fashioned. They don't like change. I don't mind the American system, but it's not like dividable. Like you got your yard and your feet. They don't go into each other very well. Like ours, we got our millimeter, centimeter, meter. They're all like in multitudes. So, yep, like a centimeter is 10 millimeters. A meter's 100 centimeters. You got a decimeter, which is 10 centimeters, but we don't use that really. Nobody says decimeter. And then your kilometer, which is 1,000 meters. So they're all in multitudes, like kind of like money is, right? But States is not like that. This will probably be near the end here. We got our truck frame. Oh, there's a few more after the truck frame. Woo, my hands are shaking a little. Hopefully it doesn't show in the camera. Chilly, chilly. Especially with the breeze of the train going by. Still not 0 yet. It might be like 5 out, I think, 6. But this train will make a wind chill. Alright, well don't forget to hit that subscribe. There we go.